Hello, hello, assalamu alaikum. Now, how to calculate future value? So, here the point given that present value 5,000 taka year to rate 10%. So, I calculate future value. So, first of all, equal. Then future value. Then I can see the rate. So first of all, I click rate, then comma, then n per means year. So click year, then comma, then PMT. So I can see there is no PMT. So 0, comma, present value bracket. So minus present value, comma, type. There is no type. 0 bracket close, enter. So I can see the result future value 6050 taka. Thank you.